ito na lamang ang nasabi ko sa kanya.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting within. I have learned to live my life like you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight, and if until my dream you come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming and never falling again.
At dumating na nga ang aking kinakatakutan. Pagbalik ko galing sa CR, wala na si Janica. Nasaktan ako, Papa Stel. Tinanong ko ang lahat ng taong naroroon. Hinaluhog ko hanggang kusina. Nagwala ako. Maging ang ilalim ng